multiply a plus 5 with a square minus 2a minus 3. Solution 1. First we will multiply a with bracket then I with this bracket. A into a square minus 2a minus 3 plus 5 into a square minus 2a minus 3. So it will become a cube minus 2a square minus 3a plus 5 into a square is 5a square minus 10a minus 15. It will become a cube plus 3a square minus 30a minus 15. A cube, 2a square and 5a square will become plus 3a square minus 13a, 3 plus 10 is 13a, and this is minus 15, constitute 15. So this is the answer. Second problem is multiply 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. So first we multiply 2x in this bracket, then 5 in this bracket. It is 2x, 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. It is 8x square minus 6x plus 5 into 4 is 20x, 5 into 2 is minus 15. So it will become 8x square minus 6 plus 20. It is plus 14x minus 15. This is the answer. Third problem is multiply 2p cube plus 3q square into 3p cube minus 2q square. Similarly, we multiply this term with this bracket, then this term with this bracket. It is 2 p cube into 3p cube minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3p cube minus 2q square. Next term will be 3 to 2 is 6, p square, q square minus 4p q cube plus 3 into 3 is 9. Q, Q minus 2 into 3 is 6. Q to the power 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. This will become 6 Q square plus 9 of plus 4 of minus. That will become 5 Q, Q, and this term will be there is 6 Q to the power 4. It is our answer.